Automation Challenge 2023, a novel initiative to encourage engineering students. India Automation Challenge 2023 welcomes budding engineers of India to design and build automation systems with practical applications.
To call SVK, NMIMS. Yes, so the two stalwarts from the SVK team. Tell me,
Yes,
what's
sir.
happening in your mind now?
Well, it's a great experience having to get the third place. I think for us, reaching the top 10 is something we never imagined, and interacting with so many people, including our fellow teams, was truly enlightening. And I think that was, much more than enough than a trophy was required.
Definitely, from 150 to top 10, I think it's that itself. It's a dream, right? And now coming in the third place, it's still a great achievement, I would say. So, what's going to take place next?
So possibly we are going to implement more innovative ideas and try to be here next time.
Great. So, I'm sure you will do much better because you're all geared up right now. So, congratulations on the third place.